Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you so very much for subscribing. I'm doing another experiment today with very, very thin paint, water thin paint. I have an ultramarine blue, a turquoise green, my titanium white, and I am using that gold spray paint. I am painting inside, but I do have the patio door behind me as well as the window on the opposite side of my studio are open. It's been very, very nice here, and I've been able to get a nice cross breeze. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I sure would love if you would do that. Make sure you hit the thumbs up as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So the canvas that I'm using for this experiment is just a dollar store canvas. I wanted to give it a try in case things didn't work out, but this piece turned out fabulous. I'm definitely going to be doing this again with a better canvas because as you'll notice, the canvas is loose. My paints are definitely moving, but that's how it is. And like I said, this piece actually turns out absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. I'm just simply laying down some colors with some white and using the spray paint and tilting my canvas. You may have noticed too that I also have a respirator on, even though I have the windows open. I wanted to protect myself. I'm a nurse, and safety and health is always priority. So if you are doing this inside, make sure you wear a respirator and make sure you have really good ventilation. All right, so I'm going to put on some music. I hope you enjoy this. Please leave me any comments or questions down below. Yeah, and we'll see you at the close-up at the end. One thing I do try to remember as I'm creating is that my art is my own, and that means my rules and no one else's. So it's the same with your art. If you're a creator, do what you feel works for you. And like I was running my finger through there and just kind of touching up some of the spots, just do whatever you feel works for you. I love how wispy this piece is with the bold shots of gold in there. The dark blue with the aqua green just complements so very well. I have a few little pearl cells in there as well. My white is Titanium White by Mont Marte, and it really does sell up on its own. And with it being so thin and adding in the water, it really created some beautiful little pearl cells that I stretched out to make it look like, you know, like an ocean. So if you've watched this far, please leave me some blue hearts in a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this piece. I would also love to hear if you give this technique a try. I know a lot of you out there are fluid artists, whether you have a channel or not. If you do have a channel, also be sure to leave down in the comments if you have a channel, because I would love to follow you back. I love supporting fellow artists. I don't always get a chance to watch. I'm super busy with being a nurse and a solo parent, but I usually watch a lot on my breaks at work. So please let me know if you have a channel down below. All right, so there we go. Love this piece so very much. So have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.